Good to go.
Good to go.
The air simulator was developed about 3 years ago based on some ideas that we were working with the BC Forest Service and a couple of their air attack officers to develop a simulation training program. And so what we do is we created a simulated bird dog cockpit, and the bird dog is the aircraft that controls the air tanker action over top of a wildfire. The idea there is that we'll train our air attack officers in a controlled, simulated environment as opposed to the live, in the field training that takes place in the planes.
Perpendicular, actually. Let's go this way. Okay.
So one of the primary jobs of the air attack officers is to control the aerial suppression efforts over top of a wildfire. The other computer stations are essentially the other role players. So that could be air tankers actioning this simulated fire, or multiple bucket helicopters over top of a fire. Ground crews, any of the resources that the air attack officer might commonly work with over top of a real wildfire.
Line looks good.
So the primary purpose of the simulation project is to train air attack officers. Since we developed the program, though, we've been able to develop scenarios for helicopter coordinators. We've also created scenarios for our rappel simulations, and because of the complex radio system that was developed to work in our simulation program, it has allowed us to expand some training for dispatchers and duty officers and create some good scenarios that way.
For Doug 5-5, take the 490 is down on the right, arm per meter.
The simulation program allows us to utilize simulated aircraft that carry the same characteristics as the planes in real life. So when we're working with an L-188 Electra air tanker in the simulated world, it behaves and performs much the same way as it would in real life. And the same thing for many of the other aircraft. The idea, of course, being that it allows the air attack officers to, again, refine their strategy and tactic decision making over top of a wildfire.
So I'm assuming we want to do the uphill side first.
Yeah, we'll start at the uphill, do quarters at 4.
Okay.